8 warning signs that you are eating too much sugar. Who can resist the allure of sugar? This sweet crystalline carbohydrate seems omnipresent, sneaking into our diets through various avenues. Yet, overindulgence in sugar can have adverse effects on our well-being. High-sugar foods are often hard to evade, with some of the prime culprits being syrups, soft drinks, candy, and cereals. The American Heart Association recommends a daily cap of 150 calories, equivalent to 37.5 grams, for men and 100 calories, equivalent to 25 grams, for women when it comes to added sugar intake. Surprisingly, this limit can be effortlessly surpassed by consuming just 1 can of soda. It's astonishing how excessive sugar consumption can manifest itself in various physical ways. Did you know that foot inflammation can be one such indication? In an interview with Everyday Health, Sherry Green, a New York City-based podiatrist, highlighted that sugar, along with refined grains and trans fats, can stimulate inflammation throughout the body, even affecting your feet. Therefore, it's crucial to remain vigilant for these physical symptoms, as your body can serve as an indicator of excessive sugar consumption. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel for daily health tips like this and activate notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Now, let's explore the signs that may suggest you're overindulging in sugar. 1. A constant craving for sugar. The higher your sugar intake, the stronger your cravings become, making sugar quite addictive. Much like a drug, sugar provides a brief euphoria that's inevitably followed by a crash, prompting the body to crave more. What's more, excessive sugar consumption not only leads to increased cravings but also causes your taste buds to adjust to the levels you're ingesting, leaving you requiring more just to achieve the same taste satisfaction. 2. Feeling sluggish. If you find yourself persistently fatigued and lacking vitality, there's a strong possibility that your sugar consumption is a contributing factor. The consistency of your energy levels is closely linked to the stability of your blood sugar, and excessive sugar intake can set you on a tumultuous blood sugar ride. It's crucial to sustain steady blood sugar levels because an excess of sugar can not only lead to weight gain but also sap your inherent energy and concentration. 3. Skin breaking out. Acne and rosacea can readily flare up in individuals who are sensitive to experiencing insulin spikes caused by excessive sugar intake. The impact of consuming too much sugar can become apparent on your skin within a short span of time. If you notice persistent breakouts on your skin that don't seem to improve despite various treatments, it might be essential to reevaluate your dietary choices. 4. Weight gain. Sugar lacks protein and fiber, which means it doesn't provide a feeling of fullness, often leading to overconsumption. The more sugar you consume, the more surplus calories you're taking in. Sugar prompts the release of insulin, a hormone closely associated with weight gain. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, where the body becomes less responsive to normal insulin levels. Insulin resistance is not only connected to weight gain but also plays a role in the development of diabetes. 5. A bad attitude. Excessive sugar consumption can have ramifications not only on your physical health but also on your mental well-being. When you indulge in too much sugar, you may find yourself or others noticing heightened moodiness. Fluctuations in blood sugar levels, with their peaks and sudden drops, can trigger mood swings and irritability. Furthermore, for individuals dealing with anxiety, these pronounced shifts in blood sugar levels can exacerbate their symptoms. 6. Cavities. Did you depart from your recent dental checkup with more cavities than usual? Perhaps it's a sign to consider reducing your sugar intake. The bacteria residing in your mouth feed on the sugar you consume, generating an acid that leads to tooth decay. It's not the sugar per se that directly causes cavities, but rather the sequence of processes set in motion in the mouth, triggered by sugar. 7. Foggy brain, especially after meals. Brain fog is among the prevalent symptoms associated with low blood sugar. Excessive sugar intake results in rapid fluctuations in blood sugar levels, rather than a gradual rise and fall. Inadequate control over these levels can heighten the risk of cognitive problems and impairments. 8. Nothing sweet enough anymore. Consuming excessive sugar can cause your taste buds to develop a higher tolerance for sweetness, making it increasingly challenging to satisfy sugar cravings. The urge to consume larger quantities of sugar just to appease your sweet tooth is clearly detrimental to your health. However, reducing your sugar intake will gradually lower your tolerance, allowing you to find satisfaction with smaller amounts of sugar. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.